So yesterday in class, I looked around and I thought about how different my classmates look. My best friend Lynn was sitting in the front. She has long black hair and big brown eyes. She always wears glasses, so she looks kind of serious, like a little teacher. Right next to her was Mun. He's a bit short, but he's super active. He had on a bright t-shirt and his favorite sneakers. He was laughing and smiling, and honestly, his smile makes everyone feel happy. Then I noticed her by the window. She has wavy hair that always makes her stand out. Her face is round and cute, and she waved at me with the biggest smiles. When I think about it, every classmate looks different. Some are tall, some are short, some wear glasses, some change their hairstyles a lot. But that's what makes our class interesting. We don't all look the same, but together we are like a big colorful team.